Hello, viewers. Welcome back. So, this is the third part of our series of video that we are covering on WhatsApp feature of TallyPrime. So, in the last couple of videos, we understood how we can sign up for WhatsApp. And in the last video, we also learned how you can enable WhatsApp feature in TallyPrime. And also quickly, we walk through the commercials. So, in this video, we will see how are we now going to set up the contact detail for WhatsApp for the party masters. And also, we will learn how we can actually send WhatsApp messages from TallyPrime. And also, we will quickly see the inbox management of the Interact, where once you start sending WhatsApp, all those informations are going to get captured in the inbox. Like the way we have our WhatsApp, where we can see the messages sent to whom, the Interact has the inbox where we can view them. In fact, we can go to the inbox from the Tally Prime itself. So let's go to Tally and explore the feature. Before we start messaging, we will have to set up WhatsApp number for the party masters to whom we want to send messages. In TallyPrime, we have additional fields to capture this information. Let us see how do we set up the same. If you have already created the party masters, then you can go to the party masters alteration screen and set up WhatsApp detail. Let us now create a new party and see how the WhatsApp details are going to be captured. So I'll go to create, select ledgers, okay, and let's create one new party. So for setting up WhatsApp detail, you have to enable certain options that are provided for WhatsApp purpose. So you will have to go to F12 configure, and here if you observe, provide contact detail is yes, and we have this additional option which says provide multiple mobile numbers. We'll set it as yes, and set default WhatsApp number is also yes. So now for a single party, if you have more than one person to whom you want to send WhatsApp, then by enabling this option, you can capture for a single party multiple mobile numbers of different person in the organization. Once you enable this set WhatsApp number, then you can say which number is going to be your default WhatsApp number for which the message is going to be sent. So save this by pressing Ctrl A, and now you will have this primary mobile number. Capture this primary mobile number. Now in case you want to have more than one person to whom you want to send WhatsApp, then you can enable this option, set it as yes, and here is where you are going to capture the mobile number. So you can actually capture the contact person's name and the contact person's mobile number. Any number of person in the organization, you can identify that person by their name and their mobile number. You can capture here, where you can select later on whether you want to send to all the contacts or to a specified contact. This way you can start capturing the contact person name and the mobile numbers. And once you have done, then save this. And here is where, since we enable this default WhatsApp number, so we can select which one is going to be the default number. Now here if you observe, there is this primary number we have entered and also the other person. So here we can select who should be the default person to whom the message is going to be sent whenever you are sending the message. Let us select primary mobile number, or if you want to send to multiple mobile numbers, then you are going to select multiple mobile numbers. In that case, whenever you are sending the message will be sent to all the parties whom we have entered the contact detail here. So let us select primary mobile number. So these configurations are enough. Provide contact detail is the normal one which we already have in Tally. So these are the configurations that are required for you to have a smooth messaging option. Let us save this screen, Control A. Once we have set up the contact details, we are now ready to message. Let us now take a use case and say you are raising an invoice on Krishna Enterprises and you want to immediately WhatsApp the invoice to the primary contact person. So let's make a sales invoice to Krishna Enterprises. Now before we make the sales invoice, in the voucher type of sales, there is an option where by default that whenever you save the sales voucher, you can send the WhatsApp to the respective parties. So how do we configure that? You can go to alter here and select voucher type and select sales, enter. And if you observe here, there is this option called WhatsApp voucher after saving. So if you set this to yes, then every invoice Tally is going to ask you, do you want to send WhatsApp? So at that point in time, you can decide whether you want to send or you don't want to send WhatsApp. So now we'll make the sales invoice. So we have raised the sales invoice for Krishna Enterprises for these two items. And now when you are saving, you're going to accept, save this, and immediately you will observe that the WhatsApp option has come here, and by default whatever is the primary number that we have entered here is captured here. Now you can go to configure and set various other information. Just type WhatsApp here and you have this WhatsApp setting here. So WhatsApp 2, this is the primary default that we have selected. If you press enter here, you will have this option where this is the primary number, and in case you want to send to a new mobile number, you can select new mobile number, or you can select multiple mobile numbers where it will go to the primary mobile number and also Anand, which we had selected here. So this way you can configure to whom you want to send, whether to single person or multiple contact details. So let us select the primary mobile number only, and now you don't have to save this. You can just press escape, and before you send the WhatsApp, you can just preview this, and it says please find attach the invoice bearing number so and so, dated, all this information it picks up from Tally, and now you can click on WhatsApp. So now you see this message and WhatsApp is already sent to that particular contact. So let us see whether that contact has received it. If you observe here, now this invoice that we WhatsApp to this number, the person has received this, and you will observe that the sales invoice has been received by the recipient number. So you can just now, I can just download this and view this invoice. Just now we created the invoice. The recipient is able to open this invoice and view the invoice. So this way you can send invoices, you can send ledger account, or you can send the bill-wise detail or the outstanding statement to the respective parties. We had WhatsApp the invoice, and let's say you want to see your sent messages. So this is where you can go to the Interacts inbox. Now from TallyPrime we can access the Interacts portal's inbox, which is your inbox. So how do we do this? Click on share here. So you can click on the inbox here and the Interact inbox will open and you will get all your messages here. Now when you see here, you can, when you hover your mouse here, then you have your account credentials where you can manage your account's credentials. Under notification tablet, we will see your wallet balance, and also you can create various campaign. Of course, each campaign there is going to be a cost involved. Then this is where you have this template where you have all these templates which is provided by Interact, which have been approved. Now you can create your own template here, and once you create your template, Interact is going to verify and validate your template, and then once it is validated or approved, then that template also will be available, and all these templates will be available to you in TallyPrime. You have this users information where you have to whom you have sent all the messages, and you can come here down and click on wallet information, which is going to show you the wallet balance available. I hope this video would have given you clarity of how you can set up the contact details for the party masters and also quickly send WhatsApp to your desired party masters. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.